Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO City Set 640 from 2023 to 2024, and it is the LEGO City racing car. As you can see, you get the racing car. It's in this beautiful green and dark blue or black color. And also you get the lights to show when the racing car can race. And also you get a female racing car driver. You can open her visor and she's got this beautiful racing outfit. And you can put her into the racing car to look like she's ready to race. See? That's what the set looks like from the back. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And please leave a comment in the comment box below. And please share the links to my videos. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my email is in a link in the description box below. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.